Mr. Motilal Sarkar.
Sir, at the outset, I applaud the Honorable Railway Minister and Ministers of States for having declared 3 projects in the Northeast as national project. It is a matter of great happiness, and I carry this sense of gratitude to the Honorable Ministers. But at the same time, sir, I am very sorry. I regret that the agony of the Northeast is undermined, has not been properly attended to. I share the views expressed by Honorable Member Kotpan, and I like to mention that lakhs of people of Tripura were on the street for a month-long demonstration in demand of extension of national project from Agartala to Sabrum. But the budget has quite frustrated their aspirations. I reiterate the demand of the people of Tripura, and I request the Honorable Minister to revisit the budget and try to incorporate this demand in the budget, and I like to hear when the Minister will give reply. Sir, why this is important? This is important because of 3 reasons. Why is I told, sir, the agony of the Northeast is undermined? Actually, the Northeastern region is not well in the minds of many of those in the UPA government, and were not these in the previous governments also. Because, sir, the Northeastern region is surrounded by the neighboring countries. Up to which extent? 98% of the boundary of the Northeastern states, there lie foreign countries, neighboring countries. Only 22 kilometers is the outlet from Northeast to the outside. So see, 98% of the boundary fall in the international border, the China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan, where these 4 crores of people will go. They are actually barricaded for their livelihood, for their economy, for their connectivity. So this should not be taken like this, that there are 100 crores of people and there are only 4 crores. How much to be given for them? It should not be taught like this. Why insurgency is prevailing there? That has to be valored. Why there is so much disturbances there? This is because the geographical situation is a compulsion on them. So we are pressing for Agartala to Sabrum because half of the state of Tripura is left out of this railway line. And in the West Tripura and South Tripura, these 2 districts, where this is abundant in rubber, in natural gases, abundant in agriculture. This is a very important region, and the population also, 50% population belong to that area. It is one reason. Another reason is that the northeastern region has got no marine facilities. If rail line goes up to Sabrum, it will be very easy to catch up to Chittagong port. This is international port, and there will be the isolation of the northeastern region. Isolation of the northeast will be broken through, and the people of the northeast will have an access outside the region through this Chittagong port. Sir, in one occasion, Honorable Minister Donor is not here. He told that Chittagong is in the Bangladesh. So we are not keeping up to a congenial development of relation. So if how far we can depend on Chittagong? Sir, why we stand for the present? Why we not count for the future? Sir, what is happening? In Poila Boishakh, the first of Boishakh, train from Kolkata will go to Dhaka. Is it not a development of relation? Sir, I like to reiterate one thing. During liberation struggle of Bangladesh, 16 lakhs of people of Tripura embraced 14 lakhs of Bangladeshis. We should not forget it. This is Tripura, this is Agartala. The equal number of refugees came to the Tripura. They took shelter till liberation was achieved. So, the people of Tripura is waiting for the railway ministry when train will go from Agartala to Dhaka, not only from Kolkata to Dhaka. We are aspiring, we are waiting eagerly when the rail will go from Agartala to Dhaka and Dhaka to Kolkata, so that a long route will be led to from northeastern region to the mainland of the country. How will it go? If this is considered like this, that this is northeastern region, how far it will be given to them? If it is thought like this, the real problems will remain unheard. Sir, that is why, sir, I again raise the voice of the people of Tripura that in this budget itself, the segment from Agartala to Sabrum in the railways should be included in the budget as an extension of the national project. In know-how this can be omitted. I say, sir, in know-how this can be omitted. If this is omitted, this will be serious injustice. And not only to the people of Tripura, to the people of the Northeast. Sir, one more point is that about public-private initiative. Sir, Laluji, in a very intelligent way, I should say, is inducing a sense of privatization in the railways. It is inducing, not directly, but it is inducing, giving this and that in the hand of the private owners, private millionaires. This should be stopped. I say this should be taken as a warning. This will lead to privatization. And what is the wrong with the privatization? Wrong is that the private persons cannot be so much committed to their duties as the government institutions. This is established fact, because the millionaires will run after profit. and government will go after social aspect of the projects. There are the two views. These are the two views. There cannot be second opinion on it. So, I would request the Honorable Minister, you minimize, you cut short what you have given up till now. You try to consolidate, to minimize and stop this type of handedness in the hand of the private people, private organizations, whatever it may be. Because the accountability, you cannot expect from them the accountability that you government can render. This accountability cannot be expected of those private bodies and organizations. Sir?
Please conclude, Mr. Sarkar. Another two members, honorable members have to speak.
At the end, I like to recollect the days when Devagura government, the first of all Devagura government, supported by the left parties, it existed here. Devagura government sanctioned railway up to Agartala. After that, NDA government has gone, UPA government is also running, but no new decision for the Tripura, only declaring the national project. The project is a national project. You have no moral right to speak on this. You did nothing. Nitish Kumar ji was a very good man, gentleman, and he tried to do something. Sir, 2 minutes. He gave a new pace in the progress. That I admit. But no radical decision. Radical decision was taken by the Devagura government. Our Paswanji was the railway minister. When they visited Tripura, so thousands and thousands of people, that was a historical gathering to give honor to Devagura. We also like. We are also waiting to give honor to Laluji. Come, you inaugurate Agartala, and you lay foundation, Agartala to Sabroom, you lay foundation. How many people you want that they will gather, they will be assembled?
Please conclude.
To show honor.
Mr. Sarkar.
I think Laluji will hear, though he is not here, he will hear.
He is hearing through his...
So, sir, yes, sir, they will be carried by Beluji, and of course, Beluji is also a good friend of ours. He is also always in the back of this project. His time. We have met him.
Please.
We have met Laluji.
Mr.
We
Sarkar.
have met the Prime Minister. We have met the Planning Commission. We have met everyone. We have met the Finance Minister. I do not know what is the secret, where the problem lies, why this project has not been considered as yet. And Sir, I sit down, with this hope that they will revisit the budget and they will include this segment of railways in this budget itself. With this,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.